Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Glassdoor account's password. So let's get started. If you want to change the Glassdoor account's password, since you want to update your password to something else, then here is how you can do it. Open your Glassdoor application and also make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage after logging in, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Now, this will open up your community profile option. Here, simply tap on Update Profile on Web. Since there is no in-app option to update your profile, so it'll take you to your web browser, you might also need to log into your glassdoor.com account if you've not done that already. Now, from the profile page, go ahead and select your profile icon at the top right one more time and then click on Settings. Now, under the Account Settings option, you'll be able to see the password reset field. Here, go ahead and enter your current password in the first text box, and then on the next field, type in a new password you are trying to change to. Now, confirm the password in the last field by typing it again, and finally click on Save Changes. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your Glassdoor account's password. So next time you try to log into your account, make sure to enter the new password that you just changed to, and that's how you can easily change your password or update your password on Glassdoor. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.